The Greco-Persian Wars, particularly the events surrounding the Sack of Athens and the Battle of Salamis, are critical moments in ancient history that shaped the trajectory of Western civilization. These events occurred during the Second Persian invasion of Greece in 480 BCE, a pivotal campaign that tested the resolve and unity of the Greek city-states against the vast Achaemenid Empire. The Persians then set fire to the city, destroying much of it. The burning of Athens was not just a military act but also a symbolic one, an attempt to break the spirit of the Greeks by destroying their cultural and political center. However, the evacuation preserved the heart of Athenian military power, its navy, often referred to metaphorically as the Wooden Wall, as advised by the Delphic oracle. This evacuation and the preservation of the navy proved crucial for the Greek resistance. In parallel with the fall of Athens, the Greek naval forces retreated to the narrow straits around the island of Salamis, near Athens. Themistocles, the Athenian general and strategist, played a decisive role in orchestrating the Greek response. Recognizing the advantage the narrow straits offered against the numerically superior Persian fleet, he employed cunning subterfuge to lure Xerxes into attacking in these confined waters. During the night before the battle, Themistocles purportedly sent a secret message to Xerxes, feigning Greek disunity and a plan to flee. Deceived, Xerxes ordered his fleet into the straits to cut off the Greek escape. The cramped conditions of the Salamis Straits negated the Persian numerical advantage, leading to confusion and disorganization in the larger Persian fleet. The Battle of Salamis marked the turning point of the Greco-Persian Wars. With the Persian navy crippled, Xerxes withdrew the bulk of his army to Asia, leaving a smaller force under Mardonius to continue the campaign in Greece. The Greek victory ensured the safety of the Peloponnese and prevented the complete Persian conquest of Greece. Following Salamis, the Greeks took the offensive. The next year, the remaining Persian forces were decisively defeated at the Battle of Plataea on land and at the Battle of Mycale at sea. These victories ended the Persian threat to mainland Greece and allowed Greek city-states, led by Athens, to reclaim and liberate territories previously under Persian control. The victory at Salamis and the successful defense of Greece preserved the Greek city-states' independence, enabling the flourishing of Greek culture, democracy, and philosophy. Many historians argue that had the Persians won at Salamis, the development of Western civilization as known today, rooted in Greek cultural and political achievements, might have been stifled.